Presenting the HP 14's 11th generation Intel Core i3 8GB RAM/256GB SSD 14-inch. It comes with storage: 256GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, 8MB L3 cache, 4 cores, 8 threads and memory, 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM, 1/8GB, up to 16GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM, 2/8GB. It has display 35.6 cm, 14, diagonal, Full HD 1920x1080, IPS, Micro Edge, 250 nits, 45% NTSC. It features audio, dual speakers. It also features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5 combo and Realtek AT822C802.11A/B/G/N/AC, 2x2. The delivery box contains laptop and power adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.